Welcome student, good morning. Here in this video lecture we will discuss the another searching technique, and the name of this technique is binary search. The binary search technique is also known as midpoint search technique, and it can be applied on the sorted array only. Either the array is sorted in the ascending order or the array is sorted in the descending order. In both these type of array, you can apply the binary search technique. So, just see what is there in the name. Here, the name tells us midpoint search means what? The array is going to be searched at the middle point, right? The specific element, suppose this is the array, it is the size of this array is 5 and the elements are 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. Right? Here, if you want to search something in the array, very first you take the item from the user, that which specific item you want to search inside the array. Right? Suppose the item is 25. Now, we are going to understand about this midpoint search. Computer क्या करेगा इसमें? Here, your computer is going to set the middle point of this array. कैसे निकालेगा middle point? निकालना कैसे? Either for generating the middle point, there are two different formulas. The first one is this one, mid equal to size by 2. Here the size of the array is 5, so 5 by 2, it means what? 2.5. Computer will take the integer value. So here computer sets the approximate middle point, it is 2, and then set the pointer on the second position element. Right? So it is the very first formula to find the middle point. One more formula is there, but another formula is also there. What is the formula? Here, if you know the beginning point of the array, what is the beginning position? Here it is the 0th position, so begin is 0. If you know the last position of the array, last position means what? 4. कैसे निकालते हैं? Last position ऐसे निकलेगी len ar minus 1. ठीक है, what is the length of the array? It is 5 minus 1. So here last position is 4. Right? Now to find the middle point, our formula is mid equal to begin plus last by 2. These two different formulas are there to find the approximate middle point of the array. Right? Here in this binary search technique, the technique use this particular formula. Right? Just see what is there. Just find out the beginning position of the array, find out the last position of the array, and then put the middle position, calculate the middle position by using this formula. So, very first, just understand this formula is used in the binary search to find out the middle position approximately. Clear? So, now, what is this midpoint search? Here, suppose we want to search 25. That 25, it is there in the array or not? Right? So very first, computer, what is this initial setting? Beginning position. Right now the beginning position is 0. So I just created one variable beg equal to 0. Now what is the last position of the array? It is 4. Last equal to 5. It is the size. 5 minus 4 means 4. So initially we kept the value of beginning, we kept the value of last position of the array, and then we are going to access this searching by using while loop. So different rounds are there related in this binary search. So in the very first round, begin 0, last 4, and what is the middle? Middle equal to 2. 4 plus 0 by 2 means 2. So computer put its pointer on the second position element. Clear? Now you have to compare that the specific item is there on the middle position or not. We are going to search 25. Just compare it with 25. Right? The second position element is equal to 25 or not. If it is equal to 25, then our task is over. Just write a message, element found, it is there at this position. Now, if the element, the specific element is more than the middle position element and array is sorted in the ascending order, it means what? 25. Here it is 20 only. Array is sorted in the ascending order. देन ये 25 कहाँ मिलेगा रे, कि किस पार्ट में मिलेगा, इस पार्ट में मिलेगा, इधर मिलेगा, बताओ। अरे इज sorted in ascending order. Ascending means what? If the search value is more than the middle element value, then we have to search this value in the better half of this array in this part. And on the other side, if the value is small, then suppose the value that we are going to search, it is 5 only. तो कहाँ मिलनी है? It is a general tendency only. 5 is less than 20. It means what? If the value is less than the middle position element's value, it means we have to search in the first half of the array. Right? So now 25 is the value where the value is situated, where value is there in the better half. अब क्या होगा? Now we have to search this 25 in the second round. We have to search this 25 in this part. तो अब कौन सी पोजीशन चेंज हो रही है बताओ? Here at the beginning की पोजीशन है 0, end की पोजीशन है 4. तो अब मुझे क्या करना है? सर्च करना है इस एरिया में. It means what? I have to shift the begin position from 0 to 3. पीछे की पोजीशन तो वही है, last is the 4 only. So here if the element is greater than the middle position element, means we just shift the beginning at here. So इस पार्ट में अब सर्च करने के लिए our beginning is 3, beginning position is 3 and the last position is 4. Just see what is there in the round 2. Round 2 beginning is 3. Just see here in these 3 the condition, this particular condition is 2. 25 is greater than A2. Means what? We have to shift the beginning position from 0 to 3. Mid plus 1. Right? Middle position is equal to 2. Mid plus 1 means 3. So beginning position is 3. Now again in the second round, again we have to calculate the middle position. कैसे करते हैं? 3 plus 4. 3 is the beginning, 4 is the last position upon 2. Result is 3.5. By default, computer will take 3 here. Means now the middle position is 3. Computer put its pointer at this particular position. Right? Then again 25 is equal to A3. 25 is greater than A3 or 25 is less than A3. अब क्या होगा? Just see 25 value is matched here. We will get our value. Now जैसे value match होती है, आपके सामने message आना चाहिए element found. Right here, the binary search technique is somehow faster than the linear search technique. Linear search में क्या होता था? Computer is going to access each and every array element one by one. It is time consuming. Here in just 2 rounds only, round 1 and round 2. In 2 rounds we just find the value, specific value and the position of this particular value. Right? So somehow we can say binary search is less time consuming than the linear search technique. Clear? So now if you want to see what is there in the function, what is there in the program, here I just wrote the function only. The remaining program, main program is same just according to the previous video lecture, the previous linear search lecture. Right? Now what is there in the binary search? By B search it is a function name, then AR it is our entire array with elements, item the specific value that we want to search inside the array. So these two are the input parameters, input arguments of the function. Right? Now function starts from here. Beginning equal to 0, it is the initial value. Last equal to len AR minus 1 means what? Len AR minus 1 in the last variable, 4 is stored here. Done. And then we just use while loop here. The program is based on while loop. Clear? While begin less than equal to last. This is the condition, begin less than equal to last means unless the beginning value reaches towards the last position, then the loop terminates its operation, otherwise not. Clear? Now just see middle element, the middle formula to find the middle position of the array. It is written inside the while loop. Why it is written? Because in each and every round we are going to calculate the middle value again and again. Here the middle value is 2, in the round number 2 middle value is 3. So the mid formula is inserted, is written inside the while loop. Right? Then the else condition, if item equal to a mid, If the item is available at the middle position only, then you just show the message element found. Here element position is made and then found equal to true, the same variable. Found equal to false, the initial value is false here, and if the element is available in the array, then the value of the found variable is converted from false to true. Clear? So it is the first if. Now second, if the item is greater than a, arrays in descending order, means you just shift your searching operation from the better half of this array, from the last portion of this array, right? So that here we just use begin equal to mid plus 1, right? If the element is smaller than the middle position element, then what will happen? We move towards this particular part. Here we are going to search the specific element in this part. Here the beginning value is 0 only. We have to shift the last value, last position from 0 to 1. Clear? So that last equal to mid minus 1. This is the formula here. Done. Now the loop executes again and again, and then if the element is found, the specific message is there. If the element is not found, means what? The found variable remains false only, and then just check if found equal to false, it means element is not there in the entire array, and the message is element not found in the array. Right? Function terminated. This technique is somehow as same as the general concept. Suppose we want to search something, search a specific page in this book. Here the pages are in ascending order, right? This is the very first page and it is the page number. Just see what is the number of over here. It is page number 200. Means the book starts from page number 1 to 200. All the pages are in ascending order. And if I want to search page number 130, right? मैं क्या करता हूँ? My first process is I just take the approximate middle page of this book. ये मैंने approximate middle page लिया and here suppose the number is 105. I want to search page number 130. So 105 page is there in front of me. Now what I do? Here this part is useless for me. Here in this part page number 1 to page number 104. These pages are there. My page number, specific page number is 130. It means what? I have to search this 130 page in that block only, in that area only, in that part of the book only. Right? So at the very beginning, my beginning is 1, but here if I want to search something, my beginning page number is 105, my ending page number is the 200, and then again I am going to set the middle position here. Right? So by this approach, we can find a specific page in our specific book. Right? The same technique is here. Just take the screenshot of this program and do your practical accordingly. Here, just after the function, you just add main program that is there in the just previous video lecture. Otherwise, this function will not execute in your Python. You have to add the function with a main program. But in CBSE, if the same question is there, write a function for binary search, you just write the function part only, not the entire program. Clear? Thank you very much.